Hey guys, so welcome back to Delph Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to cast Brave browser to Chromecast. So first things first is you can just simply open up the Brave browser into your computer and now select a profile. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and you should be able to see here settings. So select on that, and now here on the settings you can just simply go for the extensions on the left side over here, and you will have here media router. So from here, media router enables cast feature in the browser, so make sure that this is turned on. And from here, if we go to YouTube, as you can see over here, you will have an option, this arrow pointing up, share this page. And here you should be able to see the cast option. So go ahead and select a cast over here. And you can just simply go ahead and select one of your TV in order for you to get it casted. And pretty much automatically it will be connected as long as you guys have the same internet connection. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.